Glowing, healthy, vibrant skin is easy, and I'm here to show you how. I've been in the skincare industry for over 30 years, from working in the cosmetic industry at the age of 15, and then working as an assistant for a dermatological surgeon and being a spa owner. Through the years, I have found that confusion, expense, unnecessary, painful, or scarring results, and a lack of information heartbreaking. Please subscribe for product reviews, a simple skincare routine, acne and anti-aging treatment recommendations, and what I call Chrisanne's facial cocktail. It's a bit of a mix of things that I have developed through the years working in the various industries of cosmetic, medical, and spa. Watch for more healthy skincare made easy and affordable.
Let's talk masks with ingredients that you can find in your own kitchen. Some of them you'll find in your kitchen, and some of them are on my website. Masks are ways to provide additional treatment and feed the skin. I like to pick twice a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and apply my mask before I jump in the shower. Unless, of course, it's a carrot mask with the carrot pulp or coconut oil. You don't want those to go down the plumbing in your bathroom. To feed the skin, you would use ingredients such as vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, collagen, or peptides, things that are ingested into the skin and help to feed it. My recommendation is that you treat the skin without causing irritation or sensitivity. If you treat the skin without feeding it, it creates a buildup of dead tissue, and then the skin can't ingest those wonderful ingredients that you're putting on it. If you treat the skin without feeding it, it creates sensitivity and irritation, and it can exacerbate rosacea. If you feed the skin without treating it, it creates a buildup of dead tissue, and then your skin won't be able to ingest those wonderful ingredients that you're putting on it. Again, my recommendation is that you always use organic as much as possible, and definitely natural ingredients. Imagine the dead skin cells as tiles on a roof. There's a glue-like substance that holds dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. Using any kind of a peel, either glycolic, lactic, salicylic, that will melt that glue-like substance and break apart those dead tiles of skin tissue on the surface. And yet remember, if you over-exfoliate with a manual brush, it will create the opposite effect. It will create sensitivity, and then your skin will start to protect itself, similar to creating a callus on any other part of your body. It's important to both feed and treat your skin on a regular basis. Because the skin ingests, you want to make sure that you feed it the best ingredients possible so that it has what it needs to build better skin tissue. You create new skin cells every 30 days. By gently exfoliating that dead tissue, the skin will be able to absorb what you put on it. Always start with a basic skincare routine. See my basic skincare tutorial for more information. And watch for future tutorials regarding an in-depth explanation of each skincare tool, both for home treatments and professional esthetician services. Please hit the subscribe button and continue to watch for more tutorials, product reviews, and inside tips and tricks.